Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
From the moment you hit the road to the moment you arrive, every mile is an adventure to remember. Follow through with your dreams and a 2020 Axis from Thor Motor Coach. Make this the summer of you. There is not a better way to make those memories together than in a recreational utility vehicle. The Axis is a fun and easy-to-drive motorhome designed to take you anywhere and do anything. Think about the amenities you need for a great trip. Places to sit, cook, relax, entertain, and sleep. The Axis has you covered, starting with all those comfortable places to sit. Some floor plans offer you the Dream Dinette, a wonderful place to settle in and share a meal. You also have sofa options. This has a quick setup pedestal table, and in the 27.7, you get this sofa along with the dinette. No matter what Axis floor plan you choose, all your seating options quickly make into beds. And you may not be expecting this, but the Axis also features a drop-down overhead bunk. On to cooking, where you are going to love the kitchen layouts the Axis offers. You get the storage and counter space you need, as you'll find cabinets for all your dishes, a flip-up countertop extension, and a cover for your large single-bowl stainless steel sink. Cooking can be done on the 2-burner gas cooktop with glass cover or in the convection microwave. You also have a double-door fridge. Heading into the bedroom, where the Axis has a few different setups. Depending on your floor plan, you get this twin-to-king conversion or this flip-up queen-size bed with reversible mattress offering you a firm side and a soft side. Keeping your devices charged and stored safely is easy with USB charging ports. And if you feel like laying in bed and watching TV, you can do that as the TV comes standard. Here's another way the Axis maximizes your living space. You can lift the bed up and make use of the cushioned seating underneath. Perfect for getting ready after grabbing your clothes out of the closet. A quick stop in the bathroom and you'll find the Axis has all the features you want when you are on the road. You have a shower with skylight, sink and medicine cabinets, even places to keep your towels and clothes hung up and dry. The Axis also comes standard with easy-to-use tech. Rapid Camp Plus is your all-in-one control center. This is where you can set your auto gen start, check your tank levels, and control your lights, slides, awnings, climate, vents, and fans. And if your Axis has electric stabilizers, you can extend or retract them from the full-color touchscreen from your phone or tablet when you download the app. Getting away from it all is great, but we get it. You need to stay connected. That's why the Axis is equipped with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot. No matter where you happen to be, you can easily set up your own safe, secure internet connection. And you can keep your laptop stored in the large Euro-style cabinets. There is storage throughout the Axis to make living convenient, so you can easily grab a towel on your way out. And here you are, under the power awning. You have your favorite chair, a cold drink. You have an exterior TV if you want to watch a movie. Or grab some of the fun things you packed out of these large illuminated storage bays. Here's another great part of traveling in an Axis we haven't talked about yet: getting there. From behind the wheel, you can feel the power from the Ford E-Series 6.8-liter Triton V10 with 305 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. That is more than enough pull for the 8,000-pound hitch. The center stack features your touchscreen dash radio with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls or music, and it doubles as the monitor for your backup cameras and side view cameras. Underneath, switches for your generator, nightshade, and lighting. Below, you have USB charging ports, even a place to store your phone while you drive. On the passenger side, the Axis has this functional flip-out workstation with 110 and 12-volt outlets. Now check this out. When the drive is done, turn the seats around, set up the table, and we're back to the moment where it all started. The summer of you is waiting. This is the 2020 Axis from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Axis floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership-performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?